Hello guys, how are you doing? So welcome to day 46 of the 365 days of consistency. I'm Clementine John and I'm on the most powerful journey of my entire life. That is 365 days of building a $1 billion brand. And today guys, we made it to day 146. So I also want to remind you that day 146, it's not about pressure and it's about pressure and refinement. The stage where discipline becomes precision, because intensity compounds and focus becomes more fine and discipline grows. Okay, it's day 146. By now you have learned something very important. Growth isn't loud. Real growth is very quiet, structured and consistent. At this level, it's not about pushing hard every day. It's about refining how you move. Okay, it's not about going hard every single day. It's about refining how you move. I have said something very important and I want to put in more words, that precision, pressure creates precision. Pressure reveals your habits. When things get difficult, you fall back on your systems, not with motivation, not your motivation, not your emotions. Your systems keep you going. Day 146, it's about refining those systems. How you wake up, how you focus, how you manage distractions. Because the higher you climb, the more precision matter. The higher you climb, the more precision matters. Discipline, again, you have to refine your discipline in this stage. At the beginning of the journey, discipline is a brute force. You push, you grind, you force yourself forward. But eventually, discipline evolves. It becomes integrity. It becomes intelligent. Okay? It becomes intelligent. You start asking better questions. What actually moves the needle? What wastes my energy? What deserves my full attention? That's refinement. When you start asking better questions and when you start holding yourself accountable and when you start focusing better and you stop wasting your energy. Again, you have to learn how to protect your energy. For you not to waste your energy, you must learn how to protect your energy. At this stage, energy becomes currency. Your energy is currency. Not everything deserves your attention. Not everything deserves your attention. Not every conversation deserves your response. Not every distraction deserves your time. Okay? Not every distraction deserves your time. Day 146 is about protecting your focus, because scattered energy produces scattered results. Scattered energy produces scattered results. Focused energy produces momentum. Okay? Focused energy produces momentum. So, momentum doesn't feel dramatic. That is one thing you have to know. Momentum will not feel dramatic. Sometimes it feels like a routine. You wake up, you execute, you improve, you repeat. That is it. That's how simple momentum can be sometimes. You wake up, you execute, you improve, you repeat. But inside that repetition, something powerful is happening. You are becoming someone reliable. Okay? In that repetition, something is happening. You are now starting to become a more powerful person. You become more reliable to yourself. And when you trust yourself to show up every day, everything changes. When you trust yourself to show up every single day, no matter how difficult, no matter how things are, everything changes. Mastery is built slowly. You will not master everything at one day. You remember that word that says, Babylon, or it was not built in one day. Yes, nothing is built in one day. That beautiful houses you see out there, they were never built in one day. So you'll also not build everything in one day. Mastery is built slowly. People want breakthroughs, but mastery isn't built. But mastery is built through consistency, through repetition, through quiet days where no one notices the effort. Day 146 is not a huge leap. Day 146 is not a huge leap. That is what I can tell you. It's about brick. It's another brick in the foundation. A brick by brick, a brick by brick. So day 147 is laying another brick in the foundation. Another day of discipline. Another step toward mastery. Okay? So day 146, this is what I want you to focus on. Less noise, more precision. Protect your energy, because I've told you your energy is your currency at this level. So protect your energy, refine your discipline the best way you can, and keep building. Keep building. Keep building. Keep showing up every single day. So thank you very much, guys. Day 146 is amazing. Let's continue doing the work. Let's continue putting in the effort, and see you tomorrow in day 147. Thank you, guys, and as always, see you at the top. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. See you at the top. Let's keep building. More blessings.